Here, rooftop units, create similar from Properties tab. If you remember, for upper level, I try to increase the zooms, floor plans, space level 2, like this. Estimately 3 tons we need for the roof level. I go to roof level, create similar, I select 3 ton. You must select the place for that. Where is the base place? I place it here. It helps a lot for find the perfect place for your equipment. I push it a little to the right. A little space is necessary. I go to the 3D view. As you can see, these are the hatches for upper level. Then I go to the level 2. This is my section plane and move it to here. Go to view. I select the straight duct. Like this. And also for this. I need to check which one is for supply in the properties. I don't have the values. I go to the view, 3D view. This is belong to supplies. I use the elbow connection. You can see different types of fittings and connections. I delete them all. I use the setting. And I want to reshape my connection. And options are unavailable here. I need to use reload configuration. And you can remove the unnecessary services from here. From the top, it is impossible to do, so you need to remove it one by one. Now, upper drop-down menu is available right now. So removing from here is unavailable if you don't do this. I use Ctrl Z. I go to settings again. Just a moment. I do one example. Reload 4 inches, add. Okay. And I'm trying to use this type of duct. Like this. Again, I go to the settings, reload configuration. This is impossible. So you need to remove the duct first. Then go to settings. Remove. Okay. It was an important note. I use this type, metric content. I use another one. This one is complete one. ADSK, HVAC dartboard. Okay. Now my connections are shown. ADSK, HVAC, ductboard, hangers, rectangular. I use my duct and try to connect it. I change the view to make it easier for me. And I go to the section like this. And the second one. I need to find a supply for that and set the height for that, which define the place of the dog. As you can see, the height must be changed. So dogs are connected, and you can find a foundation for that. I will explain it later. I'm going to the view section again. You can move the rooftop units. Estimately, I put a value. Estimately 5 inches. And I will add a foundation for that. You can quickly add it with the model in place tool or from the structure tab, which is unavailable. I will try to add it. Structure tab, okay. Structural foundation slab. Select. I add an offset for that. 3 inches is good. Click, and here from the properties window, I add a 5 inches, and 6 inches is the thickness of our foundation. And name, okay, edit, and change the thickness to 5. Yes.